Welcome back to Overheat, the outside of a 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. Body shape. This motorhome's body will no longer be a traditional box. Instead, it will have a highly aerodynamic shape with angular, sharp lines that run from front to back. Like the Revuelto, it will have a sleek LED headlight design and the recognizable Y-shaped grille on the front end. Materials. To keep a vehicle of this size performing at a high level, a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis will be employed to reduce total weight. Carbon fiber and other composite materials will be used in body panels. Doors. Using a larger mechanism, the front doors will probably employ the standard scissor system. There might be a contemporary, concealed sliding door leading to the living room. To increase stability and fuel efficiency at high speeds, it will also have a big rear diffuser and an adjustable active rear wing. Interior. With a hexagonal steering wheel and Revuelto-inspired digital instruments, the cockpit will provide the sense of a fighter jet. Maximum support will be offered by bucket seats made of leather and premium Alcantara. All of the car's systems and motorhome features will be managed by a sizable touchscreen in the middle of the dashboard. It will have a sophisticated 360-degree camera, navigation, and an entertainment system. With functionality and minimalism in mind, the living space will be separated into multiple zones. With metal highlights, carbon fiber, high-end leather, and Alcantara dominate the interior elements. Living area, an entertainment system with a concealed projector, a fold-out dining table, and a modular sofa that doubles as a bed. Kitchen, a very contemporary mini kitchen featuring a small refrigerator, an induction stove, a concealed microwave, and ingenious storage drawers. Bedroom, a back bed that is concealable or can be used as a seat when not in use. It will be powered by a sophisticated hybrid V12 engine with over 1,000 horsepower, most likely from the Revuelto. All four wheels will receive this Power AWD, adaptive magnetorheological suspension that can adjust itself.